I'm going to be teaching you how debugging and the third umpire review in cricket are very similar. Now, if a third umpire review is happening, the bowler is asking for an LBW. The third umpire opens up a screen and asks the third umpire to slowly show the ball tracking, right? So the same thing happens when an error is also happening. So in a code, when an error is happening, what you do is you go to the debugging menu and keep breakpoints. So breakpoint slows down the code and goes step by step, just like ball tracking. So in ball tracking, it sees whether if it is pitching in the middle line and if it is hitting the bat, or takes another angle to see if there is any edge involved. The same thing happens in code also. You check for errors in loops, asynchronous threads, anywhere you keep multiple breakpoints to figure out where exactly the error is happening. So basically both concepts is to figure out step by step to find out where exactly the error is happening. So that's how debugging and cricket's third umpire review is very similar.